Hello everyone. So we are locked down here in India, and I believe so. The entire world, most of the part of the world, is locked down, and everybody is trying to do the business from their home with lot of innovative ideas. So uh, we at Geotechnosoft, convert your ideas into reality and help our customers to grow the business. And now we are learning how our customers are coming with a lot of innovative ideas during this lockdown. I just want to share one example. Uh, One of my very old customer, they do manufacturing basically in India, and their end customers are small town customers, small town users. They sell their product in the village uh, part of India, and they are hardcore manufacturer. They just do the manufacturing of the product, and they have distributors and dealers who actually sell the product in the rural part of India. And their competitors are very big companies, multinational companies who manufacture the same product and sold throughout the world in big town, big cities with multi-million projects. But this company actually manufacture the same product but sell in the rural part of India with very low, with less educated distributors, dealers who actually cannot afford is not the right word, but who actually who are not actually so much educated in terms of technology, so that they can use the technology in this lockdown situation and open their shops or warehouses and actually deal with the end customers. So what this manufacturing company is doing for their distributors and dealers is very innovative. They are actually developing e-commerce portal and mobile app for to sell the product. However, this company is not into sales. This company is not into trading. They just do manufacturing. They have their channel partners who actually sell the products to the end customers. So this company is developing an online portal. Since they are our very old customers, they are using our ERP for their manufacturing process, inventory management, accounting, CRM, sales, purchase. For all, they are using our ERP. So they called me maybe 2 weeks back when government decided to extend the lockdown. So Saurav, I have an idea where I will launch the e-commerce portal, and I will do all the marketing for that e-commerce portal. And whenever any product got sold on the e-commerce portal, I will forward that lead to my distributors, and they will fulfill the orders. So can you help me to design this product? And my team just designed the entire solution just in a week time. Since we already have the entire back end ready, we just need to introduce the even we already have a B2B portal for the vendors and for the distributors. So we just need to enable a interface of e-commerce website where customer can go and buy the product, and once the product got sold through the website, these guys got notification, and to the right dealer or distributors, they will allocate as a lead. Once they receive once the lead got allocated, they will actually accept. They have to accept. Look, I already accepted the uh, order, and they will confirm the order with the customers. Once they will confirm, the customer will confirm, yeah, this is the actual order which I have given. Once they will confirm, then they have to deliver the product and collect the money from, because they don't want to hold the money through the online banking for the dealer and distributors. So this entire this entire concept of business, a manufacturer, I just want to say, a manufacturer who don't want to go into direct sales, but they are doing to help their distributors and dealers to do the business in this lockdown. And this gentleman is so much futuristic. He understand This COVID issue is not going to solve in next 1 or 2 weeks or maybe 1 or 2 months. This is a long-term process. It's a long-term thing. So it might take 6 months, 5 months, 4 months, and they have to do business. They have to survive. He himself not. He knows very well. His distributors and dealers have to survive with this COVID situation, and the solution is only lockdown. Stay home. And he come up with this idea, and we have given the solution. You guys can also contact us on my email ID or maybe on my Skype or my phone number. We at GeoTechnosoft, you can simply go at our GeoTechnosoft website, www.geotechnosoft.com, where you can find all the details of our solution services, and you can reach us mostly. Thank you.